So results not typical. These are not guarantees of income. But if you want to learn how to earn commissions like this is a $2,000 commission. How to earn commissions like this is a $1,000 commission. How to earn commissions like this, another 1,000 commission, and commissions like this. These are commissions that our team is basically generating, right? If you want to learn how to do this, then stick with me through the end of this video, and I'm gonna give you one of the number one secrets that you can apply pretty much to any business, but this one in particular, if you want to learn how to generate commissions like this. Now, the name of this system is Exodus Elite, and you can earn anywhere from $100 all the way up to $2,000 with this system. And basically, the main thing that we do, right? The Our main job is to get people to watch this 4-minute video, and once they do that, they're either going to call this sales team because the sales team will actually close the sales for you. So if that's something that you don't want to do, you don't want to talk to people, you can direct them to the sales team and they will do it for you. Or people will contact you and you just answer questions and then sign them up. So I want to tell you a quick story before I get into the secret that I wanted to share with you. So when I got started with this program, I was having a real hard time. I was struggling really bad. I would just log in and stare at my back office and look at $0 made, like no commissions at all. And I would just kind of get discouraged. And it got to a point where I was trying paid ads, I was trying Facebook ads, YouTube, I was trying pretty much everything, but nothing was working. And then I went through training, bonus training that one of the that my sponsor actually gave to us. Like I was so gung ho when I got started, I didn't even go through any of the training that they told us to go through. I was just trying stuff that I thought was going to work. So I finally went through the bonus training, and it was about personal branding and getting people to come to you instead of you having to chase people. And at first, I didn't want to do it because I didn't want to basically put myself out there like that. But I figured I paid this money for this program. I might as well do what they tell me to do. And I got outside of my comfort zone and I started actually applying what was taught in the training. And at first, it was kind of slow. I didn't really see too much of anything, and I kind of like um, almost forgot about it. But then one day I got a text message, and it was from a guy that was interested in joining the program, and it came from the personal branding marketing that I had been doing. And I was kind of surprised and kind of taken aback because I didn't even remember, or I didn't. At first, I didn't know why I was getting a text message, like why he was texting me, and then I remembered that was why I was doing this marketing strategy. So he joined. It wasn't at the top $2,000 level, but it was at a lower level. But needless to say, the actual strategy worked. I got a sale from doing what I was told to do, right? And then some time passed by and I got another sale doing the exact same thing, same way. Somebody text messaged me and they asked me how to join and sent me the payment, and it it was money in my pocket for some simple stuff that anybody can do. And the reason why I wanted to tell that story is because people are not going to join a business unless they can actually connect with a person. Now, if that person is not you and you don't want to talk to people, then you can leverage the sales team that Exodus Elite has in place. The sales team is going to take a small commission when they close the sale for you. But if that's something that you can leverage, then I would say definitely leverage it. But you're gonna get more results from just doing the personal branding strategy, and it's something that you can't mess up. Like there's no wrong way to do it. And I'm gonna show you in a second where you can get the same exact training that I went through, and it definitely works. Okay. So like I said before, the name of this program is Exodus Elite. And what it is um, it's a program where you can earn $100 commissions all the way up to $2,000 commissions, $2,000 per sale, and you keep 100% of the commission. It's a 100% commission based platform, and it's instant payments. There's no waiting. You don't have to worry about waiting for a check or anything from the company, because the company is not involved. It's member to member payments, so you get paid however you want to receive your payments, whether it's crypto, Cash App, Venmo, credit card, whatever you want to, however you want to receive your commissions. That's basically how you'll receive the commissions. And the product that we sell is something called the Genesis Library. So the Genesis Library is a library of personal development training, and each level of the library has different training products in it, right? And what I did was I joined at the top level, which is the G2000 level. The G stands for Genesis, because these are different levels of the Genesis library. So I paid the $3.99 admin fee, and then I paid a $2,000 product fee so that I could resell the Genesis library products. And this is the $2,000 level, so I'm able to earn $2,000 commissions. Now, whatever level you choose to come in on, that's the level, the highest level that you'll be able to earn commissions on. So if you choose to join at the 100, the G $100 level, you would pay a $49 admin fee, and the admin fee just takes care of the website. You get a marketing platform or a marketing system with capture pages and sales pages, stuff like that. And you also get access to a back office with more additional training and resources and tools and stuff. So that's what the admin fee is for, and also for them to keep the lights on and be able to make updates, because they revamped this entire program. And the admin fee is um, how they pay for the website and stuff like that. But if you join at the $100 level, you're only able to earn $100 commissions. But if you join at the G2000 level, like basically what I did, you're able to earn at all of the different levels beneath you, plus the $2,000 level. And there's no pass ups in this. You don't have to worry about qualifying for anything. As soon as you join, you're able to earn at that level. You don't have to pass up any sales or anything, but there is an override commission that you could receive. So let's say you're at the G2000 level and you refer someone that comes in at the $1,000 level. Well, if they make a G2, if they refer someone and that person decides to join at the G$2,000 level or the G2000 level, this $100 level person can only receive $100 in commission. So that $1,900 has to roll up to whoever is at the G2000 level that signed them up, or their upline sponsor that's qualified to receive a G2000 sale. I hope that makes sense. So when you join at lower levels, you're going to miss out on the higher level commissions, right? But if you can't afford it, I can understand that. Just get in where you fit in and then upgrade later, because you can always just pay the difference to upgrade later. And like I said, each one of these levels is going to have different training. I'm going to show you that in a second. Um, but and this explains what the admin fee is for. There's going to be a link underneath this video. You can click it, enter your information, and you'll be able to get access to all of this information here and read through it yourself. But this is what the back office looks like. I'm going to show you that in a second. But yeah, you can come to this page and you can check out all the different testimonials. You can also check out, like, this is my information, and this is the sales line. If you want to call and get your questions answered, make sure you watch the video first before you call them. And then when you're ready, you just click on join now, and it's going to take you to a page like this. Excuse me, you just click on G2000 if that's the level you're going to come in on. And then it'll show you excuse me, sorry. It's going to show you the admin fee that you would pay, and then what you would pay your sponsor. And you just fill out all of this information. Very simple to do, straightforward. And like I said before, our main job is just to get people to watch this video and make a decision. It's very simple. So you can't overcomplicate it. Now, when you join at the G2000 level and you join our team, you're going to get access to a private chat. It's a group chat where you can come in and ask questions. If you ever get stuck or if you ever need help, we're here to help you. You're also going to get access to the personal branding bonus training that I was telling you about. So this is what actually got me the results that I'm getting now, and it's going to get you results too if you apply it and you actually do it and you're consistent with it. Now, when you start using this personal branding strategy, people are going to start coming to you, so you don't have to chase people, right? And that's very powerful. That's the reason why I was able to get text messages of people actually asking me to join, because of the strategy that I applied from this training. So you're going to get access to this, and I can also help you with some more strategies that'll help you with generating leads and really put this um, kind of put this into overdrive if you wanna if you wanna call it that. But it's basically going to help you with the branding strategy. You're also going to get access to some swipe files where you can, if you want to use some free advertising, you can do that. This will give you some places that you can post as well as some ads that you can use. If you're low on funds, you don't want to pay for many ads and stuff like that. So there's a resource for you there. And if you need a payment plan, just let me know and I can assist you with that. There's a way that you can pay with Afterpay, and it'll split up the payment so that it's easier for you um, to uh, to get your membership fee covered. Now, this is the back office, and these are the lead capture pages that you're going to get access to. These are free. They come with the system, so they'll allow you to capture leads, and then the system will send emails out to these people that enter their information into the capture page, and I can show you how to follow up with them also. This is where the VSLs are. There's two of them. You can use both of them. There's one that's 4 minutes long and one that's 6 minutes long. So either one will work for you. And if you wanted to learn how to generate leads, these are some of the lead sources in here. Just pick one and then run with it. It'll, as long as you're consistent, you'll get results, you'll get leads. This is where the Genesis library is. These are the G2000 trainings. And like I said, it's personal development software. And it's going to just basically help you with mindset stuff, with getting training on how to run your business and stuff like that. That's the type of training that you're going to see in the different Genesis library levels. So these will definitely help you out. There's also a marketing hub, Exodus Hub, I believe this is what it's called, where it'll give you some more training on how to market and stuff like that. But we can show you all that stuff inside of the group chat, what to do and all that stuff. But yeah, if you have any questions, all of my contact information is going to be underneath this video. Just reach out to me, or once you watch this video, you can call the sales line and they'll help you out and answer any questions that you have. But yeah, the number one secret is basically the apply the personal branding and be consistent with it, and you will see results. That's basically what my that was the turning point for me when I actually got serious and I actually just did it. I got outside of my comfort zone and I did it, and it worked. So that's the secret. That's what you can actually apply yourself. A whole bunch of my teammates are doing the same thing. They're getting results. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you got questions, let me know. If you want to get started and you got a few questions before you join, just reach out to me. My contact information should be underneath this video. Yeah, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.